Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a fall bear that goes along with the squirrel, the raccoon, and the fox. They're all fall woodland animals that will be really cute together as a set. They all have a fall design to go with them. This bear is sitting on a tree stump with some fall leaves attached to it. You can see on the left-hand side of the screen that is the print and cut. Of course, the colors are different from the print and cut and the SVG. And of course, you guys can change the layers and colors to whatever you want on either the print and cut or the SVG. I put the SVG together as the way I designed it so you guys can see, but of course you can follow along with that or do your own thing. It's up to you. We're going to put him on the tree stump and add the fall leaves to give it some color. We are going to add some grass down below. So subscribe to Miss Kate Cuttable's YouTube channel. Hit the like button, comment down below, hit the notification bell, you know what to do. And stay tuned for the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.